When your components get wet, if you perform reflow soldering and heating, the inside of chip will slowly expand like a bread in the oven. The expansion process will squeeze and damage the circuit, and the components may also produce invisible external effect. Internal crack, the most serious case, the components bulging and bursting, also known as popcorn. According to statistics, more than 1/4 of the world's industrial manufactured effective products are related to moisture hazards every year. The hazards of moisture had become one of the main factors in quality control of electronic products. In addition to the general damage caused by moisture into the components, moisture can also oxidize the pins of the components. Although the oxidation of the pins will not actually damage the internal circuits of the components and render it unusable, it can cause oxidation. Problems caused by fake soldering, such as broken programming, short-circuiting of devices, and inability to operate, are also quite troublesome. We can do this measure to protect our chips. Unpacked IC to packed IC must be stored in the driving cabinet. The humidity in the driving cabinet is less than 12% RH. The display value should be less than 12% blue if more than 13% red. It means the IC has absorbed moisture. Work at a temperature of 22 degrees and a humidity of 16% RH. After baking, use it immediately for STM production or add the desiccant and then seal the package and store it in the driving cabinet. After unpacking, the IC must complete the STM soldering process within 48 hours. The number of IC collected per shift cannot exceed the production usage of that shift. Used IC components must be rebaked or dehumidified at room temperature in driving cabinet to eliminate moisture absorption problems in IC components.